The FIT Writing and Speaking Studio has created this video to inform you on how to create an appointment and access your appointments online. To get started, begin on the login page. You can reach the login page through the Writing and Speaking Studio website or just type in the following URL onto your web browser: fit.mywconline.com. Once you have logged into the WC Online platform using your FIT username and password, you will find a page with dates and times to schedule an appointment. If you experience difficulty logging in, watch our video titled How to Make an Account for further instruction. On the top of the screen, you will find drop-down menus with your name and the schedules available for viewing. This is where you can access the schedule for the Academic Skills Tutoring Center. You can also toggle to the date you are looking for by clicking Next Week or the calendar icon. You can make an appointment up to 2 weeks in advance. Below, you will see a variety of announcements and links. Read through this for information on session policies, resources for students and faculty, contact information, and more. Underneath the announcements, you will have the option to limit the display to specific consultants. You will then find the schedule for each day with the current day at the top. You'll see consultants' names on the left-hand side, and you can click on the boxes in their row to view their bios. White boxes indicate available slots of 15 minutes. There must be a minimum of 45 consecutive minutes available in order to make an appointment. To make your appointment, click on the white box that aligns with the date, time, and consultant that works for you, and a box titled Create New Appointment will appear. Start off by filling your name and appointment time at the top of this page. Appointments will default to 45 minutes, but you can meet with us for up to an hour and a half if available. Then, fill out all other information and keep in mind that all questions with a red asterisk are required to proceed. We ask for your class name, professor, and project description so consultants can be best prepared and make an effective use of session time by knowing this information beforehand. Once all information is filled out, click Create Appointment at the bottom of the page. Once you've clicked Create Appointment, a page titled View Existing Appointment will pop up, giving you an appointment confirmation. You will also receive an email confirmation for your appointment. The View Existing Appointment page also allows you to edit or cancel your appointment if needed. If your appointment will be held in person, just go to the Writing and Speaking Studio in room C612 at your scheduled appointment time. If your appointment will be held online, click Start or Join Online Consultation in the bold red type in the middle of the screen. Keep in mind that if you are 10 or more minutes late without communicating with the studio, your appointment will be canceled and marked as a no-show. Need more help navigating your online session? Check out our next video titled Navigate Online Sessions with the Writing and Speaking Studio. If you have any questions or concerns, or want to learn more about our studio, please contact us by emailing writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu, calling us at 212-217-3060, or visiting us at room C612 in the Feldman Center. We look forward to seeing you.